This is Kite Hill almond based cream cheese. I highly recommend it. Use this olive oil again. I put the entirety in the entirety of the container into this thing. I didn't have to. I wasn't thinking that much. You can do this. You can also not do this. You can use this in a small pie pan. You could do this in a large pan. The small pan will give you more of a creamy sauce. A large sheet tray would give you more of a sweeter but drier sauce almost. This is a variation of a recipe from Jamie Oliver. I just have been making this recipe for a little minute, so I just kind of just do it from the top of my head. And then put that blender. You only want to pulse this mixture because you want like garlic cloves. So you have some bits of roasted garlic, but also like some bits of minced garlic for the distribution of the flavor. And then you take this, put it in the oven. Then at 400, put it 400, 15 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times. This is 15 minutes. You check on it. This is what it looks like. Not done. This is not done. Do it again. Boil some pasta or boil some water in the meantime. Salt the water like very much. This is whole wheat spaghetti. This is after. Take some of that salty water from the pasta, the starchy salty water, and deglaze the pan with it. Remove the cheese. And then just add, this is your sauce. Add the spaghetti to this. It's gonna taste amazing.
So pretty.
This was a very creamy dish for us. It was amazing and very indulgent. You take that cheese and you just put it on there. Oh my gosh, was this so good. I think Jamie Oliver serves this with arugula. You should try that.